Welcome! In front of me I have Smartwatch DT93 and I'm gonna show you how to change the screen timeout duration on this device. Basically how quickly the screen will turn off after you stop using the watch or the screen. Okay, so first thing we need to do is to wake up the screen on our watch. To do it, simply press the lower or upper button. After you wake up the screen, swipe right on the screen to open the menu. Now, scroll down through the menu and tap on the settings icon. In settings, select the option called display. Here tap on screen time. And now we can adjust the screen timeout duration by swiping up and down on the screen. Select the duration you like to use. For example, 9 seconds, and then tap on the check mark to confirm. And now my screen will turn off automatically after 9 seconds of inactivity. So if I stop using the screen for 9 seconds, it will turn off automatically, like this. Okay, and that's how you adjust or rather change the screen timeout duration on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.